Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about object destructuring. So let's get started. So here we have one object which will have the property first name, last name, address, and within address we have the nested property city and the state. So let's see how we can use object destructuring feature in JavaScript. So let's say if I want first name from this particular object, so I can directly call something like this from obj. So here what is going to happen, from this object we are just destructure the first name. From here let's console first name, clear the console and run the code. So here you can see we got the result pumpkin. Now let's say we also need the remaining object, so we can here use the rest operator, where let's say we are, you can name it anything, but I am just here using rest. Now let's console this and clear the console, run the output. So here we can see in the rest we have the remaining object and we don't have the first name because we already first name, we have destruct the first name from this particular object. Now let's say I want to destruct the city from this particular object. So here I can use address colon, because this is the nested one. So from address what we want is like city. So here I am going to use city, clear the console, let's have a space, and we can see here we have the city value Pune. Now let's say there is one more thing. For example, in the first name I want to change the variable name. Let's say you already have the first name variable declared in your particular that file, and you can't use the same name or same variable name, so you want to change this first name and also you want to use the object destructuring. So here you can rename it something like this colon, and the whatever the new name you want to give, like my name. So here if I run the code, it should give me the error for now, because the first name now I have renamed it to my name. So here first name is not defined, need to give me the error. But now I'm using my name, and let's see the console. I will get the in my name I will get the value of first name. Now let's say I am declaring here, I am destructuring some variable and I want to give some default value to it. For example, here we don't have the pin code, but in some other object we have the pin code. So if I am destructuring and if you want to give some default value, let's say pin code equal to 412101, and let's console.log, and here we use pin code, clear the console and run the code. So here we can have default value 412101. But now let's say here I have pin code 395007. So it should give me 395,007 instead of that default value. So here we got the value what is expected. So yeah, so in this object destructuring there are multiple things. If how we can restructure the object if we have the multiple nested object, that we can see here. How we can give the default value, how we can rename that particular destructured value, and how we can use the remaining object that we show from using the rest operator. So here we only left with the last name because we already here use that address. So only the last name is left, which is available in the rest object. So yeah, I hope the object destructuring concept is clear from while watching this video. If you like this video, please try to subscribe my channel and share to as much as possible to other developers. And yeah, see you guys on the next video with some other topic. Till then, happy programming.